Yo guys, it's the EvilGeniux, Today I'll be showing you how to set up the hotspot on your laptop. The purpose to share files over the wireless LAN or using it for remote control. Okay, first of all, you must make sure you have installed the latest drivers of your wireless LAN on your laptop. Your drivers might be a Broadcom or Qualcomm or whatever. Mine is Centrino. Okay. Now you have to open command prompt as an admin. Okay. Now I have two codes. The first code is to configure your hotspot, and the second code is to start your hotspot. Okay, under SSID, as you can see, my highlighted name is my name of my hotspot, and the key is the password of your hotspot. All you have to do is replace those values with yours. Okay, now copy it to your command prompt. Okay, paste it, then click enter. Then, as you can see, my configuration are configured. Now all you have to do is copy this next line and paste it to start the hotspot. As you can see, the hosted network is started. Now let's go and check my device if you can find the hotspot. Okay. Yes, as you can see, my phone can find my hotspot, but for now I won't connect. I'm connected to a VPN. It will distract my phone. Okay, thanks guys for watching. Leave comments below if you have any problem or whatever. EvilGeniux is here for you.